Hello everyone and welcome to English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I'm Michael and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about my first day in a new city.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi, Michael. I am doing very well. How about you?
I'm great, thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Sarah, have you ever moved to a new city?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes. Last year, I moved to a new city for work.
Wow, that sounds like a big change.
It was a very big change.
How did you feel before the move?
I felt excited, but I also felt nervous
Why were you nervous?
because I did not know anyone there.
That makes sense.
Everything was new to me.
Tell us about your first day.
I arrived early in the morning.
How was the weather?
It was sunny and pleasant.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, the weather made me feel better.
Did you travel by train or by car?
I traveled by train.
Were you carrying a lot of bags?
Yes, I had 2 large suitcases and 1 backpack.
That sounds heavy.
It was very heavy.
What was the first thing you noticed when you arrived?
I noticed how busy the city was.
Really?
Yes, there were many people walking everywhere.
Was it different from your old city?
Very different.
In what way?
My old city was smaller and quieter.
I see.
The new city felt full of energy.
That sounds exciting.
It was exciting and a little overwhelming.
What did you do after leaving the train station?
I took a taxi to my apartment.
Did the driver talk to you?
Yes, he did.
What did he say?
He welcomed me to the city.
That was kind.
Yes, it made me feel comfortable.
How was your apartment?
It was small, but clean.
Were you happy with it?
Yes, I liked it immediately.
Did you unpack your bags right away?
Not all of them,
Why not?
because I wanted to explore the city first.
That sounds like a good idea.
I thought so too.
Where did you go?
I walked around my neighborhood.
What did you see?
I saw a bakery, a supermarket, a pharmacy, and a small park.
That sounds convenient.
Yes, everything was close.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought some water and snacks.
Were the prices expensive?
A little, but not too much.
Did you get lost?
Yes, once.
Oh, really?
Yes, I turned down the wrong street.
What happened?
I could not find my apartment building.
Were you worried?
A little worried.
How did you solve the problem?
I used a map on my phone.
Technology is very useful.
Yes, it is.
Did anyone help you?
Yes, a woman stopped and asked if I needed help.
That was nice.
She was very friendly.
What did she do?
She showed me the correct direction.
That was helpful.
Very helpful.
Did you meet any neighbors on your first day?
Yes, I met one neighbor in the hallway.
What was the neighbor like?
He was friendly and welcoming.
Did you have a conversation?
Yes, we talked for a few minutes.
What did you talk about?
We talked about the neighborhood.
Did he give you any advice?
Yes, he recommended a good restaurant nearby.
Did you visit it?
Yes, later that evening.
How was the food?
It was delicious.
What did you order?
I ordered chicken, rice, and vegetables.
That sounds tasty.
It really was.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, but I enjoyed the experience.
Sometimes it's nice to enjoy a quiet meal.
I agree.
My first day in a new city was also interesting.
Tell us about it.
I arrived in the afternoon.
Were you excited?
Very excited.
What did you do first?
I visited a coffee shop
Why a coffee shop?
because I wanted a place to relax.
That makes sense.
The people there were very friendly.
That is always nice.
One employee even gave me suggestions about places to visit.
Wow, that was kind.
Yes, it made a great first impression.
First impressions are important.
I agree.
What was your favorite part of the day?
Walking around the city center,
What did you see there?
I saw beautiful buildings and busy streets.
Sounds interesting.
It was very interesting.
Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took many pictures.
I love taking pictures when I travel.
Me too.
It helps us remember special moments.
Exactly.
Moving to a new city can be challenging.
Yes, but it can also be rewarding.
That is true.
Every new place teaches us something.
I completely agree.
Let's learn some useful English expressions.
Great idea.
A useful sentence is, I'm new here.
Many people use this sentence.
Example, hello, I'm new here.
Another useful sentence is, can you help me find this address?
That is very useful in a new city.
Example, excuse me, can you help me find this address?
Excellent example.
Another phrase is, how do I get there?
People often use this phrase when asking for directions.
Example, how do I get there from here?
Very good.
Let's learn some vocabulary.
Okay?
The word neighborhood means the area where you live.
Example, my neighborhood is quiet and friendly.
Another word is explore.
Explore means to visit and learn about a place.
Example, I want to explore the city.
Another useful word is direction.
Direction means information about where to go.
Example, can you give me directions to the station?
Great example.
Let's talk about grammar.
Sounds good.
When we talk about the past, we often use regular verbs.
For example, walked, visited, and talked.
These verbs usually end with ed.
That is correct.
We also have irregular verbs.
Such as go and went.
Another example is see and saw.
Very useful for beginners. Let's practice. Okay.
Today I go to the park.
Yesterday I went to the park.
Today I see a building.
Yesterday I saw a building. Excellent. Learning grammar becomes easier with practice.
I agree.
Let's talk about pronunciation. Great idea. Practice the word city.
City.
Again, city. Very good.
Another word is neighbor.
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 Excellent.
What about you, listeners?
Have you ever moved to a new city?
What was your first day like?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your story.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
Sarah, what advice would you give to someone moving to a new city?
I would say be patient.
Good advice.
Give yourself time to adjust.
I agree.
Also, talk to people and make new friends.
But can make a big difference.
And do not be afraid to ask questions.
Excellent advice.
Thank you.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about our first day in a new city.
We also learned useful English vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
Keep learning and keep growing.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.